Hans Egil Joensen and Sons dates back to 1959, when Hans Egil, at the age of 21, purchased his first dumper truck with an articulating crane and went into the hauling business. Development in the Faroes accelerated in the 1960s, and Hans Egil took on a variety of road construction jobs. When the Streymoy Bridge and the Skálafjörður Tunnel were completed in the 1970s, the entire central region of the country became accessible, and his business grew. In 1982, Hans Egil's two sons, Johan and Tryggvi, joined him, and soon they were operating 6 trucks. They eventually acquired a large articulating crane, and ever since, crane operations has been one of the major strengths of the company. Today, the company operates a crane that is 4 times as large as their original crane. This crane, known as the Giant, has a huge lifting capacity of some 100 tons per meter, making it the largest in the country. In 1998, Hans Egil turned over management of his successful company to his sons. Today, the well-diversified company, with a full-time staff of 10, operates 3 dumper trucks with articulating cranes of varying capacity, 3 tanker trucks serving the aquacultural industry, and 3 heavy construction excavators.